What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the RS series of speaker stands. Now these are high performance bookshelf and monitor speaker stands that are available in 3 different sizes, 37 inches, 29 inches, and 21 inches, and they're also available in 2 different colors of black and white. Now these speaker stands are very versatile, and because they come in 3 different sizes and 2 different colors, you have a bunch of different applications that you can use them for. You can use them in a home theater setup, find the perfect size that matches your TV stand, throw some bookshelf speakers on them, hide the cables through the cable management parts of the beams over here. You can use them in a studio, or you can take these stands and put them on either side of your computer desk and use them for computer speakers. The great thing about these stands is because they are built so tough and durable is you can hold up to 60 pounds per stand. Most stands on the market of the same size can only hold up to 20 pounds, so you're getting 40 more pounds. You'll notice there's 4 rubber feet on the bottom. This is perfect for hardwood floors or any even surfaces, but if you have a highly dense carpet, you can switch it out for these brass spikes over here, which we include with the stands. Also included are 2 foam isolation pads for each stand that help reduce speaker resonance. Let me open this and show you how to set one up. So we have the vertical beams. We have the top piece over here. It's the square plate. This is the rectangular base plate, Allen key, which is the only tool we need to set up this speaker stand. We're going to start by taking our rectangular base plate and our middle beam over here. There is actually a screw in here that we have to unscrew with our Allen key. So you're actually going to use this to attach the bottom base plate to the vertical beam. You want to make sure the vertical beam is facing the right way. You want this hole over here to be pointing to the back of the speaker stand. So this hole is actually for cable management. There's one on the bottom of the vertical beam and one at the top. You're going to run your screw through the top plate over here, then line it up with the hole, and then finish it with the Allen key. Now the last thing to do is add our foam isolation pads, reveal the adhesive, and then you're going to line up with the side. Now the important thing is you hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. And just like that, you can see how easy it is to set up one of these speaker stands. So if you are looking for stylish, sturdy, and easy to assemble speaker stands for your bookshelf speakers or studio monitors, look no further than the RS series by Rockville. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always guys, I am Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.